Hello! So this is a fun update. As of today, I am halfway done with my current treatment of both chemotherapy and radiation. Friday made week 3 completion done with radiation, so I was halfway done there. And then today I took the rest of week 3 chemotherapy pills. So also with being halfway done, I do have some new side effects. I did start losing my hair. However, if you just look, I bet you can't tell. I'll show you where in a few minutes if you can't guess, but I'm sure you can guess where I started losing it pretty well. So to kick off the halfway through weekend, yesterday we did go to Eckert's and we got, oh my gosh, like almost 10 pounds of apples, like big huge apples that my mom had asked for. And I had my BFF niece with me and she was just looking for huge big apples, exactly 12 big apples, and literally each one is like 2 pounds. These are so big. But then it's kind of odd because I have noticed some other new side effects. Oh, there's a bug in my face. Yesterday, we went to the farm and we were out walking about for about maybe an hour and a half or so, maybe 2 hours, and I just felt straight asleep. And then I also felt like I had like a lymph node, but then after I fell asleep, like the swelling I felt and I had like pain in my shoulder, it went away and I was perfectly fine. I do have some days when taking the chemo pills just kind of get me a little bit hard and it's just like, oh my gosh, this is so much. But at the same time, I'm like, I'm halfway done now. And all that means is 3 more weeks and then I get a month off. And then once I will start the chemotherapy again, but when I restart it again, it's only 5 days out of a month. It's like 5 days. That's like nothing. So I'm just looking at each day and being positive about it. Today, walked around a bunch with Kyle and Luna Bean, the best puppy ever. And I felt that where it almost felt like my neck was swollen on this side again. So I laid down and that helped it get a lot better. But alright, are you ready to see where my hair started coming out? So this radiation only hits the spot of where my brain tumor is located, so it only is my left temporal lobe, and you may not even be able to tell right now where it is coming out. It does itch a little bit where it's starting to show the breaking out, but if I follow the scar I have around, you start to see the much looser patches, and my skin is a lot more lighter, or a lot more visible, which again, this may seem like nothing, which I also just got a big handful of strands of hair off. But then when you compare it to the other side, it's so much darker and just so much fuller. But like I said, when my hair is down, it's nothing. Like, you can't even view it. I do ask for some prayer that it stays only to the tumor area and that I keep being able to get through day by day. It definitely has been a bit of a rocky road, but halfway is where we're at, and that's the best thing ever. So I just appreciate all of your following and all of your time, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. See you later!